Hey there, today I'm gonna show you how to make cartoon animation video with AI for free. And without much ado, let's get straight into our video. First and foremost, we will be using this tool Leonardo AI for our background and the cartoon characters which we need for our animated videos. We have already covered this AI tool and everything about Leonardo AI. You can find it on our channel, so check it out if you don't know how to use this tool. So let's start using Leonardo by clicking here. I already have an account, so I'm gonna say yes, I'm whitelisted, otherwise you can sign up. And by doing so, we'll open up the home page for me. And here on Leonardo AI, we will be heading over to AI image generation. Make sure your prompt contains headline of your design, and then any sorts of customizations and styles come after that. For example, we will try the 3D animation model and the Leonardo diffusion model. Our first prompt will be this: a village surrounded by a beautiful forest. Basically, I'm going with a forest theme, a village-like forest, and I spelled incorrectly. Let's try generating this. Those backgrounds look really good. I think I would go with this one here. Instead of going for a portrait-like drawing, I would rather consider making this into a landscape. So make sure you have 16:9 selected here, and let's try drawing it again. Okay, we have some beautiful landscape images for our backgrounds. Let us also try this with the Leonardo diffusion style. And also, I think I misplaced this here again. Let's try generating this. And there we have some different results, completely different actually from what we got from the 3D animated version. Don't get me wrong though, these also look really good, but for our animation I think these would be better suited in my opinion. Now let's try to get our character which we need for the animation. I'm going with a small guy, basically with a bright face and shiny blue hair. Let's try generating him. And also make sure that you have 3D animation style selected again for this one. We don't have to worry about the aspect ratio because the character is always in the portrait mode. Here we have some stunning results. These characters look awesome. I'm gonna use this one, I guess, or maybe this other image. Yeah, this looks good as well. We can use him. And let us also try giving it a more advanced prompt like this one and see what it comes up with. These are completely different results, and also by following our prompt, I think I can either use this one for this tutorial or maybe this one. They both look good. And I also want to try a completely different theme, more like a Japanese samurai vibe. So let's see what this comes up with. Not too bad. This looks good actually. Yeah, this is pretty usable. We can use this. And I'm also going to try and save this first and foremost. I'm gonna use the image we have just generated and use it as the source to generate another image. And I'm also gonna leave some negative prompts, like maybe I need there to be a sword. Let's try doing this again. Wow, those look good. Let us also try disabling prompt magic and see what happens when we do that. I think this is the best looking in all of them. I really like this one and also like this. The way his sword is at his back, although his eyes don't look the best, but I think we can work around. Or this one also looks fine. The background is neat and the character is just finely placed. Right, here we have HeyJen, which we will be using to animate our characters for us. Simply click here where it says try HeyJen for free. And once you are here, click on create video. And make sure to select the landscape mode. And here it says avatar, click that and select talking photo, then upload your image. Make sure to sign up before. Now I'm gonna download our character, save it, and then I'm gonna head back here and select where it says avatar and click on talking photo. Instead of using their default ones, I'm gonna upload my own, and there I'm gonna select the artwork I have just created. Once you have your animation, you can write your script, whatever you would like it to say. Hey there, I am a samurai. Let's see what you got. And click on the submit button. It says that the video will consume your credits as listed below. Be mindful of that, because if you're on a free account, you're gonna run out of credits very soon. And once you have your video, you can come here and check it out. As you can see, our video has finalized. Let's have a look.
Hey, there, I am a samurai. Let's see what you got.
It looks well defined and the character is moving his face really well. I like this, and this is how you animate your characters and add voice to them using this amazing tool. Up next we have animated drawings, where you can animate your characters without a background. So first of all, let's head over here and select a character which we needed. For this example, I'm gonna use this one. Simply save it wherever you would like to save your character. Then come here on this website, remove BG and upload the image. So we can remove the background and click where it says edit, click color and select a white background. Then click download and download image, save it again, and then head over to animated drawings, click where it says get started, upload the photo, select your character and click next. Now you need to select how much of the character you want. I'm gonna go with full character, so I don't care about the background that much. Then here they simply want you to remove all the white areas on the character, so make sure you do that. I'm gonna select all the areas which are white and not needed. Make sure not to remove too much of the character's hands or other part of the character while removing these white areas. I'm not gonna do all of that, so I'm just gonna remove some of it as much as I can. Then I'm just gonna show you how it looks like. Now we need to adjust these points according to our character's joints. Make sure to correctly place them accordingly and then click next. Here you can choose the animation styles which you want for your character. Right now it does not look so good because I did not remove all the white areas, but you can spend your time fine-tuning your character, how you want it to look like and everything. Then once you remove all the white areas, this is gonna give you really stunning results. And also by playing around with these options, as you can see, it's already looking better than before. You know, every character has a different style of animation which will look good on them and which will not so good. So make sure you play around with these settings and see what is good. As you can see, this is looking somewhat better than previous ones, although it is not perfect, but we can make it perfect by adjusting our character, fine-tuning. It will become much better than this. Up next we have LeiaPix, which is another tool we can use to animate our images. Simply sign in, click I have read and accept these terms, click confirm, and then you're ready to use this website. Now let's come back here and select an image we would like for our animation. I suppose I will try using this or maybe this image. I'm just gonna download it and save it on my computer. And then on this website where it says upload, I'm gonna select the image. It's gonna process and generate the video for you. You don't have to do anything, unlike the other website. It's gonna do all the hard work for you. And here we have some cool, nice animation with flow around the character and the background. You can also apply some custom editing and effects if you would like. You can play around with these settings, animation styles and animation length. You can increase the time, how long the animation will play for. You can keep it short and fast paced, or you can keep it really smooth and slow so it flows nicely. We can also try some other characters or images. Let's try using this samurai one and see how that one performs on this. I'm gonna download this image, save it, and come back here and upload the art. Let's wait again for it to process, and here we have the animation. If we make it fast, we can see how it is moving. You can also increase the amount of motion, but keep in mind that sometimes it's gonna distort the animation, so make sure you edit it accordingly so it does not break your character or your animation as a whole. Up next we have this Genmo tool which we'll be using to generate our animation video. I'm gonna sign in with Google. Once you're here, simply click on Get Started button. You get free 200 credits you can use, and you can generate text to video, or you can upload your own image. And I'm gonna select the same image here and see how that performs. And here you can actually describe what you want it to do, like Caption 1 is gonna be a woman holding a gun. Exclude. You can exclude some things like low resolution, JPEG, and you can also add more captions if need be. You can adjust all of these settings. For now, I'm gonna keep this on default and select make video. It also shows an indicator of how much it has been processed. As you can see right now, it is 25% finished, and you can go to your profile under my recent generations to see if it has been completed and see how it looks like. Our video has been processed, and you can see how this is looking. The background is moving and the character is somehow changing their hair color, which is a bit weird, but you can see how the hair are moving in a flow and that the background is changing its atmosphere and the trees are just moving around. It looks good. You can use it. It looks like a hand brush tool art, which is good for some use cases. You can try different arts and see how that performs. Let us know in comments how did your images come out, what kind of results did you achieve using these tools. And last but not least, we have another tool for you, which is a Discord server. You can use Pika Labs to generate amazing animated videos. Simply write / and create prompt, then just paste your prompt whatever you would like it to create for you. I'm gonna go with the samurai theme once again. It's gonna take a little while as it says generating video. I have been waiting, and then I click on the restart button and then it said that it's generating the video for me. So be patient and drink a coffee or tea or whatever you would like and wait for it to finish processing. Here is our video which it has created for us. Let's have a look. Right, looks really good. The character is moving and we have rainfall here. We can actually download this video and use it anywhere we would like. And it has also given us a second version since we actually prompted it to 2 commands. And let's see how this one looks. This one also looks good with the rainfall and a completely unique atmosphere in the background with a pixel, or I don't know what kind of style this is, but it looks good in my opinion. Let me know what you guys think about all of these AI tools which I have shown you. Hope this video helped you. Also, you should definitely check out this video, and if you took value, let us know or give it a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.